Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today's video is gonna be something more exciting, interesting, I would say. So let's just get started, right? So as winter approaches, I just wanna change my wardrobe. I ordered some of the shoes for the winter and some of the clothes as well. So I just want to show you what are the products which I have recently ordered from the Flipkart. I'm totally amazed by the products with the price range. All the products which I'm gonna show is around 800 to 1400, which means 800, starting from 800 to 1400 only. It's a budget friendly video. So if you guys love fashion, shoes, I think this video is gonna help you to build your wardrobe in this winter season. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you these shoes. The brand is a killer. So after unboxing all the products, I will post tutorial of how I pair up all these products, okay, in this frame. Yeah. So first of all, we have these loafer boots, chunky loafer boots. If you're a short guy like me, you can try this and then upgrade your height. I'm telling you the secrets of keeping your height average. If you're going out for a party or some events, you can try these shoes out. I have some few collections. I have 3 pair of shoes of the loafers. Recently I'm so into the loafers since my fashion nowadays is into vintage vibe or something more into 80s. So this is under 1000 only. Just think of it, getting such a good quality shoes under 1 case. Oh my god, it's totally a go-to. So I will add the link in the description of the shoes. You can check it out after watching my videos and then get yours as well. So the exact price I'm not sure yet, but then yeah, I'll post it here. The quality is amazing. And yeah, the second products, let me show you. Guess what is inside. See, my today's collection is more of winter collection. So as the winter approaches, yeah, we should be ready for the winter to rock on. As I'm in Delhi right now, the winter is extreme in Delhi, so I need to be prepared for the winter. So I buy these boots. These boots, Chelsea boots or any boots, yeah, and a brand from a project. They are known for top quality products at the friendly budget price, I would say. So what do you think of these shoes? For the price, I'm totally amazed. And for the Chelsea boots, if you have owned some piece, you would know the price. It's around 3, 4, 5. If you order from Zara and H&M, it will be, the price will start by 3. So I have one blade of this mango. Yeah, it was good, but then the price is too high. But then for these I just got for 1300 something. Okay, this is 1300 something, which is affordable for the this type of boots. Yeah, so you can get this as well if you're a Chelsea boots lover. If you want to show uh, your gentleman vibes of looks, so I recommend you to get one of these. This has two colors of, this is coffee color and the other options will be black. And yeah, the third products, you can see it, right? These are like now these are the new brands, I would say. They just launched recently, 1 year ago I guess, and then they are quite popular in social media. Like you can see it's in all over Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And then I'm pretty amazed. See, they got they have added me an extra shoelace, which is pretty impressive, right? Most of the other shoe brand didn't give you this, but then I got extra for this. So their brand is Zetin, Zet, or I don't know how to pronounce it. It's JAYDN. So, and this is their logo. See, this is sneakers, a simple basic sneakers. This is all you need for something like a jeans, a denims, and yeah, something baggy as well. It will go with baggy as well. Yeah, something more comfortable for a trouser. Like a trouser means like a jogger's kind of trouser, which has a plain floral or something. Yeah, evening date or evening hangout, a chill party, you can just wear these sneakers and then be comfortable at any event. Comparing to other two products which I have shown you, I think I would say this is one of my favorite, because the texture and all is super duper good in high quality at this price range. So I wasn't expecting this to be this good, but yeah, I'm surprised, and this is one of my favorite sneakers from which I have ordered. So they are pretty impressive. They got something like a comforting, what, I don't know how to explain it, comforting types of, and underneath these are the shoes which I have ordered from Flipkart. So go grab it yours, and wait, let me show you what let me show you something surprise. If you are one of those who loves leather, yeah, I have a winter gift for you. Yo, bro, see the amazing piece, I would say. What do you think of this leather? Imagine getting a leather pants under 1K. Wow. There's a variety of colors you can select it, but then I choose this coffee color, since like I would like to pair with that Chelsea boots, which has the same color. I will have choose some other options. What do you think of this product? This is cool. It's totally for winter. The underneath texture is like it's totally a winter product. So yeah, I'm ready for the winter. This is under 1K, but still then you can guess it. I ordered a leather pants from H&M, and I got it for 3K. It was super duper costly for me comparing to this. and then I just got it for 500 something around. It's in it's on sale, so you can get it now since there is a sale. If not, the price will be above 1k again. So just go and check out the link of these products. Yeah, you can build your wardrobe like me and ready for the winter. You're good to go. I would not say that my fashion is good, but still then yeah, I would like to dress up how I feel like. So yeah. So what do you think of these products? Do I like justify the video with I just mentioned that it's a budget friendly? So does it justify you, satisfy you? You can comment down, and then if you have any problems or anything regarding the video of the products, if you're not able to find the products or not, you can do just text me up or do give a comment, or you can active in all social media platforms, so you can just give a text, drop a text, so that I can help you in getting one of your favorite products. So yeah, how is my collection? Can we vibe along with the fashion which I have ordered? If you can vibe it there, we can be friends, bro. Those 3 shoes is from Spoyl. Okay, so like Spoyl is, they just collab with the Flipkart. So it's a Gen Z website, I would say, Spoyl. So we got a lot to explore on Spoyl. We got a lot of varieties of collection, from accessories to sneakers to hoodies to tees to t-shirts to shirts, everything. They got some amazing piece, so you can check it out. And then for your information, you can't compare the price of the Spoyl Fashion and any other fashion which is available in online platform like Mintra. Yeah, you can't just compare it. The products and the price is totally 50-50. So I will recommend you guys to get some of the products. If you don't like this product, you can explore it and then get some of your favorite products. Who knows? As I told you, we got a lot of options if you go to the Flipkart app and then check it out. The Spoyl, there's a section, there's a banner where you can explore, and then you will see the Spoyl banner, and then just tap it and then explore the hidden products of what they have care for you. So yeah, so that's all about the today's video. I hope you find it interesting, and if you want this type of content on my videos, if you want to talk more about fashion or how to style it, how to build your wardrobe, let's talk more about it. And then yeah, I'm ready to help you. I'm not a fashion expert, but still then yeah, I would say, since I love fashion, some of you out here, so you can just ping me up and then we can be friends. Yeah, and then how to style it, anything related to fashion, I'm super ready to share and talk about it. So yeah, let's keep moving forward, and please do share this video with your friends and all over your circles, and please do like subscribe it, since it's almost, we're about to hit 5k. So let's go. So see you guys on the next video.